So the next thing I want to talk about is the cost of setting up an estate plan. But before we go into the specific numbers, let's talk a little bit about how attorneys in the estate planning area charge for their work. Generally, there are two methods that estate planning attorneys will use when billing their clients. The first method is an hourly rate model. So this is essentially how long it takes to do the work multiplied by how much the attorney charges per hour. So if something takes a long time, you'll pay more, but if it takes less time because it's simple, you'll pay less. The other way that attorneys in this area of law charge for their work is just by a flat rate. So no matter how long or how little time it takes, you know exactly what you're going to pay. There are pros and cons to both. Obviously, with the hourly rate structure, it turns out to be, it may feel like it's a bit more fair if you're paying exactly for what work is being done for you. On the other hand, you never know how much work it's going to require if you go back and forth between the attorney a lot. The flat rate model has the benefit of you knowing exactly how much you're going to be paying for the work that the attorney will do for you. Now, generally, when I have spoken with other attorneys in this area of law in the Southern California area, an estate plan for a single person can range somewhere between $1,500 and $3,000, and for a couple it could be anywhere between $2,000 and $5,000. And that's just sort of a ballpark range. Obviously, your situation isn't necessarily going to be the same as someone else's, so it's important to consult with an attorney. And there's absolutely nothing wrong with consulting with an attorney, because oftentimes just to talk with one to get an assessment is free. So I definitely encourage you to talk with an attorney to see what's appropriate for you and how much it might cost.